Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to delete CIMB account. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So to initiate the closure of your account or to remove or delete your account, you need to follow the following steps. First is you need to access the CIMB Bank PH app by logging in. Navigate to the account section and select view details for the specific account you intend to close. Now within the account details, locate and tap on the close option, followed by confirming the closure of the account by selecting close account. Now in this case, those are the steps for you to close your account or delete your account. Now if you need further assistance, you need to reach out to CIMB Bank's official website or their official email. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.